Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all right. यो तपाईँहरूले यो आर्टिकल च्याप्टरको चाहिँ अघिल्लो भिडियोहरू हेरिसक्नु भएको छ भने आज हामी अर्को चाहिँ कुरा चाहिँ हामी सिक्न गइरहेका छौँ। त्यो चाहिँ रहेको छ युज अफ द। साथीहरू हामी यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा ट्रिकबाट जम्मा चाहिँ 31 वटा युज चाहिँ हामी सशर्ती चाहिँ हामी पढ्न सक्छौँ, माइन्डमा सेटअप गर्न सक्छौँ र इजिली त्यसलाई हामी मेमोराइज गर्न सक्छौँ है। जसरी ट्रिकहरू 3 म्युजिक 16 नेम्स प्लस 5p प्लस डस। यदि यसलाई जोड्नु भयो भने अल टुगेदर देयर विल बी 31 use of the article. Let's see what are they. 3m indicate what, and then likewise u indicate what, s indicate what, likewise I, c and 16 names indicate what. In this way just you can see. First one is here guitar, the madam. What are they? Musical instrument. In the sense of playing and learning and teaching and extra, we can use the. So first 3m indicate the musical instrument. Likewise, the Alps, the Andes, that are mountain range. So before the mountain name of mountain range we can use the, but not with a single mountain. We cannot use any article there. The National Museum, the American Library, what are they? That are museums and libraries. So what can we understand here? Before the name of museum and library we can use the. Another, the moon, the sun, the earth, that are universal object. Universal object. So before the name of universal object we can use the, but not other planets except earth. Earth by अरूमा चाहिँ use गर्न मिल्दैन प्लानेटहरुमा. The biggest, the lowest, this is what superlative form of adjective. So before superlative form of adjective, what can we use? The is used. Now after that, the heart, the lungs, the eyes. So these are what? Internal part of body in the sense of measurement and anatomic function. So this is the meaning. In that sense, we can use the before internal part of body. Another is given the radio, the telephone. These are the name of invention. So what can we understand? Before the name of invention, we can also use the UK, the USA. These are the common geographical name of countries. So what can we understand here? Before the common name of geographical name of countries, we can use the Bible, the Gita, the Quran, likewise other that are the religious books. So before the name of religious book, we can use the. So likewise another one here, the Kantipur, the Gorkhapatra, the Nepal Times. These are the name of newspaper. So before them we can use the Kosi, the Nile. These are the name of rivers and seas. So what can we understand here? Before the name of rivers and seas we can use the Pacific, the Atlantic. These are the name of islands. So before the name of oceans and islands we can use there the Yadavs, the Ranas. These are the name of plural name of families. So before the plural name of family we can also use the, that we should understand. The Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower, these are the historical buildings. So here we should understand before the name of historical building we can use the Sahara, the Thar, the Gandak. So these are the name of deserts and canals. So we can understand here before the name of deserts and canals we can use the. So here 3 music, out of here 16 names we just understood here 7 names, 2, 4, 6 and 7. 7 names we 16 वटा names मा हामी छौं. यो 16 वटा names मा के पर्छ भने हामी जान्नु है. 7 वटा त हामीले कुरा गरिसक्या हो, बाँकी चाहिँ हेरौँ के रहेछ. The Nepali Congress, the Praja Parishad. What are they? That are the name of political party. So what can we say? Before the name of political party we can use the. Likewise, the English, the French, so that are nationality adjectives. So what can we understand before nationality adjective? We can use the. The Titanic, the Queen Mary. So that are the name of famous ships. So what can we understand before the name of famous ship? We can use the. Next one is the Netherlands, the Philippines. These are the plural names of countries. So what should we understand before the plural name of countries? We can use there the. Likewise, the Stone Age, the Modern Age. So these are the period of history. So what can we understand before the name of periods of history? We can use the. Likewise here the Martyrs Day. So this is historical event. So before the name of historical event we can use the. The Yak and 80, the Everest. So this is famous hotels, name of hotels. So what can we understand before the name of hotels? We can use the. After that here the Jai Nepal, the Rotary Club, that are the name of theatres and clubs. So what can we understand before the name of theatres and club? We can use the. The prime ministers, the presidents, these are the name of titles. So before the name of titles, we can also use the article that we understood. So up to now, 16 names that was. After that, here comes 5P. So 5P indicates what? Just try to understand with example as well as the rules. The equator, the North Pole. So these are the points on globe. So before the name of points of globe, where we can use the. Likewise, the bedroom, the toilet. These are the parts in the house. So before the parts in the house, we can use the top, the bottom, the left. This is physical position. So before physical position we can use the. The more you learn, the more you learn, the more you read, the more you learn. This is parallel comparison. So in this situation we can use, whenever we do parallel comparison, we can use the also. After that, another year, the 30s, the 20s, these are the period of 10 years. So what can we say? Before period of 10 years we can use the. So here 5P here came. After that, dust indicate what? So just see here in the example, the east, the west, in the morning, in the afternoon. So what are they? That are the name of direction and day breaks. So before direction and day breaks we can use the. After that, the next one it comes here, the first, the second, the third, the fifth, that are ordinal number. So what can we understand? Before ordinal number we should use the. The blind, the rich, the poor, these are the social groups. So before social groups we can use the. So up to now, what we understood here, 3 music, 16 names and 5P plus does, altogether 31 use of the we understood. And with example, so what I would like to tell you, you should watch this class, watch this video again and again. I think 2 to 3 times if you will watch. These all rules, 31 rules that will be easily set up in your mind. Dear friends, up to now, if you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe and you can see other grammar topics in this way. Thank you very much for watching this video.